What is going on, guys? My name is UnlimitedCop, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at SplashForce. Now, SplashForce is coming in at a retail price of $300 with a renewal fee of $60 every 6 months. Unfortunately, guys, SplashForce is sold out as of right now, so if you do want to get your hands on a copy, you really have to buy it aftermarket. I have a couple videos going over how you guys can do that safely, so if you guys are interested, I'll link those down in the description below. Now, SplashForce covers Adidas, Yeezy Supply, Supreme, Shopify, Dick's, and Off-White. Personally, I really only use it for like Adidas, Yeezy Supply, and Dick's. But I do know it did pretty well on the last Off-White drop. Now, SplashForce has been around for the past couple years. They actually last year updated it to 3.0, and since then it's been a really good bot. It used to only be an Adidas bot where it would just wait on the splash page, obviously why it's called SplashForce. So now they've added a bunch more sites and a bunch of new features, definitely making a very good bot. Personally, I've been using it for the past couple months and I've been really impressed with it. It's easily gotten me over 10 pairs of Yeezys. Alright guys, so as you can see now we're on my desktop. This is pretty much going to be the home page of SplashForce. So the first thing we have is the dashboard. This is where you're going to be able to see all of your tasks. Obviously down here we have the start all, the stop all, the clear all. Those are pretty self-explanatory, guys. You can start all your tasks, stop all them, or clear them all out. The next thing we have is solve captchas and harvest recaptchas. Pretty self-explanatory. You can just open those up, log into Gmail, and you should be good to go. You can mass edit all, and then you can import and export your tasks. Then up here, guys, we have what sites you guys are going to be running for. Very self-explanatory. Just click on the site you guys are going to be running for, and you can see all of your tasks. Moving on to the Create a Task tab, guys. This is honestly very self-explanatory. You can select the sites you guys are going to be running. You can put in the product ID, your billing profiles right here, how many tasks you guys are going to create, your region, your CAPTCHA, proxy size, and all the other good stuff. If you guys do pick up SplashForce, I would highly recommend getting the Discord with it because there's just a lot of good information in there. Before every release, they'll put out a screenshot of how your tasks should look, so just copy that and you should be good to go. The next tab we have is Proxies. Very self-explanatory, guys. I know I keep saying that on all the tabs, but if you've seen a bot, they're pretty much all the same. So you can just add your proxies right here. You can import, export them. You can test them on Yeezy Supply or Adidas, and then you can clear all and test all. Now the next thing we have, guys, is accounts. This is really for if you guys are going to be using like Adidas raffle or something like that. I'm not too sure if the Adidas raffle function works as of right now. This is where you guys will put in your information for your accounts. It's really easy to do, guys. It's just like your proxies. You just import them and you're good to go. The next thing we have is the billing profile. This is also, guys, really self-explanatory too. All you guys are going to want to do is put in all your information right here. Hit save, and then you're good to go. You can also import and export them, which is really nice. And last but not least, guys, we have the settings tab, which once again is very self-explanatory. Honestly, guys, SplashForce might be one of the easiest bots to run. So if you are a beginner, I might look into it just because there's not a lot of like hidden tricks or anything you have to do. Pretty much it's plug and play. So I would highly recommend looking into it if you don't know what you're doing. Right here, you can put your webhook in for Discord. So to like send you a notification if you get a checkout. Your error delay probably wouldn't mess with that. You can input your site key in here if they tell you to. You can have 2 CAPTCHA if you want to have someone solve CAPTCHAs for you. Your reCAPTCHA v3, your monitor delay. Then I'm going to be honest, guys, I don't know what browser hardware acceleration means. Alright guys, just a little disclaimer. I'm not affiliated with UnlimitedCook anymore. Honestly, guys, it just got too much to do for me. It was just a lot of work and a lot of stress on me, so I just had to let it go. But I am working on a bunch of new projects that I definitely think are going to be really good for you guys, and I have a pretty big announcement coming very soon. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Also, guys, I know I haven't really been uploading a lot, and I do apologize. Like I said, I have some more projects in the works, so I'll definitely be able to show you guys that pretty soon. But I am trying to get back on my YouTube grind, so definitely leave some video comments down in the description below for me. Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you.